If you need your Calendly event to stay in one fixed time zone, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of confusion. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to lock the time zone in Calendly so your invitees see the event in the correct time zone instead of having it automatically adjusted to theirs. This is especially helpful for in-person meetings, location-based events, or any appointment that must happen at a specific local time. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly keeps all of your event types and booking settings, so this is the place you need to be to make time zone changes. After that, find the event type you want to edit. If you have multiple event types set up, make sure you select the right one because the time zone lock will apply to the specific event you're working on. Now click on that event type to open its settings. Once the event settings open, look for more options. This is where Calendly stores a lot of the additional configuration settings that aren't visible right away. Click more options and then scroll or expand the booking page options section. This section controls what invitees see when they book with you, including important scheduling details like availability and time zone behavior. Inside booking page options, you'll see the setting called Lock the Time Zone. Turn that option on. When this setting is enabled, Calendly will stop automatically converting the event into each invitee's local time zone. Instead, it will keep the event locked to the time zone you chose, which makes the booking experience much more consistent and much less confusing for everyone involved. This is the key step if you want all invitees to see the same fixed event time. After enabling it, don't forget the final step. Click Save Changes to apply everything. If you skip saving, the update won't go live, so always make sure you confirm the change before leaving the page. Once saved, your Calendly event will now use the locked time zone setting, and your invitees will see the schedule in the fixed time zone you selected. That's it. You've successfully locked the time zone in Calendly. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.